Well, my husband and I was in Jamaica to get my new son, my stepson, and bring him home to Canada. I lost my son, Whynder. He died in a motorcycle accident. It's like I'm gaining a son and I lost a son at the same time. There's gonna be days that you're gonna probably be mad at us, but there's gonna be lots of love. And that's part of being a family. There's gonna be good times and bad times. Now I'm gonna put my heart and soul into helping raise him.
The beast is out, yo. She's trying to get her skirt on now.